Welcome to Holland America Koningsdam, stateroom 8168. It's just a standard veranda room, not the extended balconies or anything, but there is tons of storage, king-size bed. There's even extra storage under the bed. Huge deep drawers. I mean, they go way down. Extra storage. Cozy blankets for sitting out on your balcony. Mini bar. Extra space up here. I mean, this is just tons and tons of space. The mini bar continues in here. Everything that came with it is all for a fee. We did grab a couple of waters last night, so that we got and added in here. 3 drawers. Plenty of space in both closets. The TV you can turn on to hear what's going on upstairs. Little love seat, more drawers by the nightstand. Plenty of plugs, both sides of the bed, nightlight. The vanity has a hairdryer and a makeup mirror. More outlets at the vanity. And of course, the balcony. Little ottoman pulls out from underneath the chair. Second chair, and they can lean back. I'll have to show you some of our views later. But first I'm going to show you the bathroom, and yes, I switched to voiceover for this portion because while I was touring the bathroom, me and Jason were having a conversation about what we were going to do that evening and what we wanted to eat for dinner. And so rather than you eavesdropping on our conversation, I figured I'd voice over the bathroom area. So here it is. It has a sleek design and a huge shower. I didn't use the included shampoo, conditioner, or body wash, so I can't tell how well it works, but I think it's nice that they included conditioner and that they have pump hand soap and lotion at the sink. Hey! I did love having an extra large shower on a cruise, and especially loved the foot bar. It had excellent water pressure too. This was hands down our favorite shower we've ever had on a cruise. So that's our cabin. My opinion and my experience in the cabin, I have to say the curtains are amazing. We have had other balcony and ocean view rooms before that were not Holland America, different cruise lines, and so much light filtered in through those curtains. Being that we're currently on an Alaskan cruise, I was very worried about the light coming in because it never really gets dark here. So I was worried we were not going to be able to sleep with all the light coming in. Not a problem. The bed is so comfortable, had a great night's sleep, and again, was able to sleep in because of those curtains. Bathrooms. That is hands down the best shower we have ever used. We love the shower. Plenty of space. The foot bar. Oh my gosh. Ladies, having a foot bar is amazing on a cruise. The huge amount of space, the water pressure, everything about that shower is amazing. But with that nice big shower comes less seating space in the restroom, if you know what I mean. That angled toilet with the bigger shower leaves it where your knees don't have a lot of space. So the seating arrangements are not my favorite. The decor is wonderful. It's very peaceful, tranquil. It definitely fits into that Alaskan vibe. The storage, I can't get over the amount of storage this room has. There are just drawers everywhere. That is one thing that I always miss. On every cruise we've ever been on, there's always plenty of spaces to hang things, and you know, you've got a good amount of closet space, but there's usually not a lot of drawers. This cabin has drawers to spare. I've got empty drawers right now because I've got nothing else to put in them. That's how many drawers there are. And one last thing I just remembered, chocolates. Holland America has chocolates on my bed. I just want to take a second to show you something real quick about this particular location of this cabin. It's on the 8th floor, all the way at the aft on the port side, which is the left-hand side. It's pretty easy to get to elevators. It was a very convenient location, but it is right below the Lido deck. I've often heard people say that being below the Lido, you're likely to hear chairs scraping and all of that. That wasn't an issue for us. We didn't really hear the chairs scraping all that often. We also were right below the smoking side and never had any smoke blow back towards us. We did, however, have this weird little stairwell that goes from the 9th to the 10th floor that we could see from our cabin. You can see it in that photo there. It wasn't that big of a deal, but something that did bother us a little bit was the constant music playing on the Lido. We could hear it down on our balcony. So it didn't bother us in the cabin so much, but if we wanted to sit out and have a nice, quiet, relaxing time watching the scenery, we always heard that music playing in the background. So that's something to consider when looking at locations. As previously promised, a few photos that were taken from our balcony. If you liked this video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can follow us from there to here and everywhere in between. That's our stateroom for our Alaskan cruise on the Holland America Koningsdam, cabin 8168. I hope you enjoyed.